Kia has unveiled the new Stonic, redefining what customers can expect from a compact crossover. The current Stonic range consists of just 3 variants: Pure, GT Line, and GT Line S, ranging from £21,795 to £28,295 before on-road costs. The 2026 Kia Stonic is designed to increase the appeal of the small SUV segment with a mixture of modern design, advanced technology, and better performance. Building the success of the predecessors, the 2026 models characterize a more aggressive and sporty, sharp lines and a specific front fascia. The purpose of this design development is to draw young buyers in search of a vehicle that is in the urban environment. The total dimensions remain compact, with a total length of 4,140 millimeters, a width of 1,760 millimeters, and a height of 1,520 millimeters, suitable for urban races, offering sufficient internal space for travelers and cargo. The update introduces sharper styling across the Stonic range. The Pure retains halogen lighting and 16-inch alloys, while the GT line brings 17-inch wheels, gloss black details, and LED lighting. The flagship GT Line S adds a panoramic sunroof, privacy glass, and more premium finishes. Inside, the new Kia Stonic introduces premium features typically reserved for higher segment vehicles. The new panoramic dual display layout combines 2 connected 12.3-inch screens for full digital instrumentation and advanced infotainment, setting a new benchmark for compact crossovers. The multi-mode touch display replaces traditional HVAC controls with a sleek interface that enables users to seamlessly toggle between climate settings and infotainment menus. Additional updates include a redesigned steering wheel for both baseline and GT line models, a resculpted gear knob, an updated dashboard, and a new center console. Convenience features such as USB-C fast charging ports, wireless smartphone charging, and ambient lighting further enhance the in-car experience. 2026 Kia Stonic has introduced a new motor stand that includes a 1.0-liter wooden-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. This engine not only promises to improve fuel efficiency but also provides a more dynamic driving experience than the previous 1.4-liter MPI engine. The turbocharged variant is expected to provide power generation of around 100 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and about 13.6 kilograms of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute, paired with an even 6-speed automatic transmission. This change to turbocharged engines matches market trends in favor of performance without compromising efficiency.